This cordless drill is powered by lithium-ion batteries and features an attractive exterior. It has 21 torque settings to handle drilling tasks with great precision. This cordless drill is equipped with NiCad batteries. It is coated in silver to provide an aesthetically pleasing exterior. With this product, you can switch from a high gear to a low gear as needed. You can also use our product to complete either drilling or impact driving applications in different work environments. Our impact drill is designed with a lightweight handle. Due to its ultra-strong power and self-locking function, it can run continuously over long periods and in any challenging work effort. The rotary hammer is configured with an auxiliary handle and a depth gauge. It also comes with a quick change chuck for easy drilling of concrete, stone, metal, wood, and other substances. This diamond cutting equipment is featured by an ultra-long lifespan and a perfect balancing function. The angle grinder has a 3-position side handle for improved balance in cutting and grinding applications. Its rear handle can rotate 360 degrees. This portable product is equipped with soft start to limit startup current and reduce kickback. It is commonly used to grind all kinds of metal. Our circular saw is mainly used for cutting various kinds of wood. It enables the adjustment of both the cutting angle and depth. The maximum power reaches up to 2,000 watts. The sander is designed with a soft grip handle. For maximum control and comfort, it can create a smooth and uniform thickness surface. The power planer has an aluminum body and a flat base plate. It can perform planing or edging on all kinds of boards. The oscillating multi-tool features a contoured body and a die-cast aluminum housing. It is constructed using one-step molding technology. This product is outfitted with 2 saw blades, which makes it suitable for cutting small timber, metallic nails, construction waste, and other substances. This jigsaw has a quick chuck for fast and easy blade change. It can offer 4-stage cutter lifting action, laser function, as well as dust collection function. Utilizing all these prominent features, our product can cut various materials with extreme precision. It is designed to be solid and durable, allowing clients great cost savings.